Hi everyone, welcome to Sharon Safe Haven. I'm Sharon Taylor, your Norwex independent consultant, and today we're in my laundry room and we're going to talk about Norwex's laundry package. It involves 3 items and I'm going to show you what those 3 things include. It's this little group here, and you can choose between the Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent or the Norwex liquid laundry detergent. And then it will come with the stain remover and the 3 wool dryer balls. So you get 1, 2, 3 things in the laundry package, and it is a dynamic trio. So I'm just going to read from this package so I don't mess it up. So the laundry soaps do not include any fragrances, no sulfates, no phosphates, no chlorine bleach, no fillers, no optical brighteners, no animal testing. And that's all of Norwex products. No animal testing is ever done. No animals are ever harmed in their products. It's all natural, plant-based. The liquid laundry detergent is enzyme-based. So it's a little bit different than the powder. And they work very, very well. It's very concentrated, so you don't need very much. For my family of 6, I use 2 teaspoons of laundry detergent to do an extra large load of laundry, and that's all that it takes. 2 teaspoons. This bag lasts for months for 6 adult people. That's pretty impressive. It does come with a scoop. This is about equal to 2 tablespoons. And so if you have hard water and maybe an old washer, you might want to use a full cup. The best thing I like to do with Norwex is to experiment. It's kind of fun to do my own scientific tests. So you have to base how much you use of the laundry detergent on what kind of washer you have and what type of water. I have city water and a HE, high efficiency top loader washing machine. And this is the stain remover. And you know, when you get a stain in clothes, you pre-treat it with the stain remover and let it set for 5 minutes, and then just throw it in the wash like you normally would. Now, here is a time saver and money saver. These dryer balls will reduce the time it takes to dry your clothes because it helps lifts and separates the clothes. You don't need any fabric softener or dryer sheets with these dryer balls. You throw them in, all 3 of them, with a load of laundry, and it'll speed the drying time, like I said, and prevent static cling. There's no smell to them, so your clothes will come out without any smell at all. Because the detergents do not have any smell. The stain remover does not have an odor or fragrance. So it's like nothing. The smell of nothing. It's just clean. So some people like to add a little essential oils to these dryer balls and throw them in, and so then the clothes will have a nice, you can do lavender or whatever scent you prefer. You can add it to the dryer balls. I did that before, but then the dark clothes kind of make the dryer balls look all spotty and stained, and I didn't like that. And I'm going to give you a helpful hint. If you use these and ever get static cling, you just need to reduce the heat on your dryer and not dry them for as long. Over drying creates static cling and wrinkles. And so that's it for our laundry package. It's one of our best sellers, and I recommend that to everyone. And then, as a little side note, since we're talking about laundry, they have this Microfiber Cleaner that helps with all Norwex microfibers. We recommend you to deep clean your microfiber cloths every 2 to 3 months. Put them in a pail of hot water and soak them for put a scoop of this cleaner in and let it soak for about 30 minutes. You can also add it to your white clothes to help get them brighter and cleaner. And sometimes I even like to use this Ultra Power Plus as a spotter, another stain remover. I just get spot wet, let's say on a shirt or something, and sprinkle some of this Ultra Power Plus on it, rub it together until the stain disappears. This stuff is amazing. It works fast and it's awesome. Alright, so if you're interested in the laundry package or any part of these products, they'll be in the description links below. And don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. And make sure if you have any questions to put them in the comments below.